Hello everyone, this is OEM here. It's been a while since I haven't uploaded any animations, besides the 4th of July animation. Well, anyway, so it's been a long time since I haven't uploaded any animations or any videos, so I decided to upload an unboxing of iHome, which is an alarm clock with a radio and a USB charger that's compatible with iPhone and the iPad, as you can see right there. So yeah, I have an alarm clock which is from my dad's, but well, it's an old one which is dated back in the 2000s. It still works, but it has the time and also has a cool FM stereo and AM. You could later switch the radio, AM, FM, stereo, radio, you know what I mean. So this is the box of iHome. It has a dual alarm stereo clock radio plus USB charging. So it's pretty cool. Let's turn it over. And it features what it has in features like the Bluetooth, USB charger, speakerphone, which is kind of cool, FM stereo radio, oh that's cool, and others, as you could see. And still the same cover as the back, and right there on the side it says Bluetooth stream audio wireless. Okay, that's cool. So let me pause this video so I can open this box. So see you around. Okay, so I finally cut the tiny tape right there and then started opening. Okay, so let's start opening. I think it's other more tapes. Alright. Easy does it. Okay, there we go. Alright. Okay, hold on a sec. Okay. Put it right here. Here it goes. Okay, it's something in the box as a manual and the set. Okay, let's see the set. Wow, dang, that's a pretty cool alarm clock. I do need it with the iPhone because now we're in the modern times, you know. Everything is smartphones now, unlike back then where it had a radio and alarm clock that shows the time only. Now here we have pretty cool music and speaker, how do you call it, a speakerphone, yeah. Okay, so let me pull this out. And this, okay, so here's the set. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So far so good. It's very fittable for my alarm clock. And this one is let me see what is, oh here's then a USB charger. Okay. Oh, I get it then. An AC adapter. Well, you know, to plug it in, connect it to the alarm. I apologize, my video somehow stopped. Well, anyways, I was saying this is a AC adapter, like, you know, connected to the alarm clock, and yeah, you know what I mean. So we have also the user manual. It's like a mail, you know, an envelope that in the classic days. see what we have here. Okay. Alright, so we have this, what is this? Okay, so we have an iHome full control of your home starts. Oh, okay, that's cool. Wasn't expecting that. Shows advertisements. Okay, whatever. And we have the manual. Shows the page, the steps, and what the buttons are, and so. Okay, it's pretty cool. And it's also compatible to connect music either on a mobile phone and tablets, PC. Oh, that's cool. Pretty cool. Okay, so let me get started on putting this in all together, and I'll see you right back. Okay, so I finally put the iHome alarm clock all together, and this is the current alarm clock I'm using. This is the Sony Dream Machine. This set is from 2000s. I don't know what year it is. Probably 2002. I searched the internet for this set, and it shows it's from 2002. So this is from my dad. He doesn't use that alarm clock anymore. I use it just to see what time it is, like when I'm doing homework. So yeah, this is from 2002. I was 2 years at that time, so it's pretty cool. It does work. Yeah, like the good old days where it just showed the time, and also on the bottom here's the radio station, so you could hear music like the FM and the AM. And here's the back. Yeah, let me. Here it is. This is the AM and FM. Right now it's in FM, and the tuning, and this is the volume. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It still works. Yeah, it still works. It has the buttons, the radio on and off button, the time editing and such. And here is the antenna from the Sony Dream Machine. And here is the iHome antenna. Look at right there. Super long. Look at, compared to Sony's and iHome, super long. So yeah, let's test the two, with the difference between the two radio. So let's try the Sony Dream Machine.
This could be your last chance to get a 2017 Volkswagen, and we're offering $1,500 in available.
It works pretty good, but the antenna struggles to catch good radio stations like Kiss FM and such. So yeah, it works good. Still working. I'm surprised. This is from 2002 and it's still ongoing. Okay, so let's try the iHome. Okay, so how are you gonna get to radio? So it has the phone, Bluetooth and such. Okay, so you turn it on. Okay, and look, it has the radio station. Wow. So currently it's on a Spanish channel. I mean Spanish radio station, the Guadalupe radio station. So if you want to change the station, you click up. Okay, so it's pretty. Let me see if I could change it to Kiss FM. Hold on, let me pause this. Well, at least it has quality radio stations. You could change it with the button instead of this one. You have to change it with the tuning right there. hold on, let me well, never mind about it. So at least it works. So yeah, it's off right now. So so in my opinion, I think the iHome, which is actually more modern alarm clock, excuse me, right there, it's better and more modernized than the yesterday alarm clock. So yeah, I'm gonna have to replace the old alarm clock with the new one. So yeah, the iHome alarm clock is working good. Now I have to pair it with my iPhone, and then boom, I could get calls and such and play music with it. So that's it for that. That concludes my video. So thank you all for watching my unboxing iHome alarm clock. I hope you enjoy it, and also don't forget to leave a like and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on unboxing and also probably animation. Also, Martinez Fig, the next episode will be released on Labor Day, September 4th. So that's it. Just thank you all for being patient. It's been a long time since I had an upload, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So that is all. Thank you and peace out.